Good morning students, Raj Akku sir this side on the behalf of SKM Public School. Welcome you in the next video of chapter 3 Water Resources. So student, already we completed all points and this video is related to the revision video. Then first we understand water is a resource, and let's first understand what is the meaning of resource. Resource क्या होता है, what is the resource? So let's we talk about the first thing about the resource and how it is useful, and then we talk that how water as a resource useful for the whole world, because it is the basic need students, and without water we cannot survive. Okay, so it is a very important resource that we say. Okay, and it is a resource that is any physical matter constituting a part of earth. Okay, and normally that we say physical mean that we can see, touch and feel. Okay, so this is easy to understand, the physical matter, and which can we feel and see, and from which we can make something. Okay, जिससे हम कुछ बना भी सकते हैं, that is also known as the physical constituting part of the any of the earth that we say. People need and their values. Okay, so any physical materials constituting a part of earth that people need and value, and natural materials becomes resources when human value them, so they can be used by humans directly or modified according to the needs by using suitable technology. तो दिस वी विल से कि जो भी हमारे पास फिजिकल मटेरियल्स है दैट वी आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिंग फॉर आवर नीड एंड वैल्यूज़, and it depends, some of the resources they are the natural material resources and they are used for directly by the human, and some according to the human being that they modify the resources. Okay, which type we will say that we are not using the directly sunlight and we will modify the sunlight into the solar energy, and then we convert into the basic electricity and that use. So it is mean that is the modify. For example, and that's we make tea. Okay, and this is also the example, and if we go by the definition, then water fits every creations it's naturally occurring and useful to humans. We can use it directly and also modify it as per our requirements. Okay, for example, the soft drinks are modified form of water. तो naturally जो water occurs होता है, जो that is useful for the humans. Okay, and directly we can use, जिसको हम directly क्या कर लेते हैं, use कर लेते हैं, and it is also according to the per requirement. And we know student, the water is very important thing, the day by day and the population increasing. Okay, and the with the increasing of population we say our demand of water is also increasing. So let we see about the source of the water from where we, and water source, as you know, the water source are those source which we are currently using to satisfy human needs. Okay, और water source में हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि the all resources that we have that is available on the earth, which type you know, the 71% earth is covered with the water surface area. Okay, and they using to satisfy our needs like lakes, river and ports. These are the good resource of the water that satisfied our needs. Okay, but but we are not able to use today, but we can be used in coming years as the technology advances. Okay, so look at the picture and see and understand the ocean water. 97% we have the ocean water. Okay, and the fresh water only we have in the glacier and the ice caps. The fresh water source only we have very littles. Okay, and then 3% out of 103% which we have the fresh water and that is found only in the glacier and ice cap forms में अपने को क्या है मिलते हैं. Now ice caps of glacier is the 79%, then the groundwater is only 20%, okay, and ocean, the whole world is the is ocean is mostly they are salty water, okay. Then we have go into the ground water in the glacier forms, and that is we are using that fresh water. और 3% जो फ्रेश वाटर है उसमें से 79% है दैट इन द आइस कैप्स में है, 20% ग्राउंड वाटर एंड द सरफेस वाटर इज़ ओनली 1%, ओके. तो 3% का जो एवरेज है. एंड यू नो स्टूडेंट अर्लियर इन द previous classes you also heard about the many activity related to the water, that how can we judge get the proper judgment about the fresh water, okay. And water within living organism in 1%, and soil moisture is 38%, and water vapor is the 8%. So accessible for water, and the best example of water resources that we have rivers, okay. Rivers is always have the plenty of water. Then ocean is also the good source of water resources. Then rain is ultimate source that we say with the rainfall we get the water into the river and canals, and then by the different channels we will got it at our home. And the last one that we have the groundwater, okay. So it depend on the water resources that groundwater is decreasing, then how can we will cover it, how can we will save it for the future generations, okay. And rainwater is the good harvesting technique that where we will save it, and where we'll say that how can we will use it, okay. And rainwater mainly observed in the by the soil, and that convert into the groundwater. And mostly part of the different states, they mainly depends on the groundwater, okay. This is the eye-opening fact related to the water, students, and this is important. And on nearly 71% earth is covered by water, okay. And they are found in ocean, sea, lake, river, ice, groundwater, and moisture in the air. But most of it is not for the human consumption. तो just think on 8% हमारे पास water है, but the human consumptions के लिए it is not fit, okay. तो we have also have the different example from the different nations. Water that fit for human consumption is called fresh water. And did you know students, 0.6% of water on the earth is actually available for our use, and that's why we will say कि it is important to conserve water. तो अगर fresh water की बात करें in the whole world, that we have very less amount of fresh water. There are around 1 million miles of water pipeline and adequate in the USA and Canada, and enough to circle of the globe about 40 times. So this is also the really fact, understanding fact related to this, that 40 times कि 40 बार इसको क्या किया जाता है, just cover to the 40 times of it. And this is important fact. So it is mainly depend that 748 million people in the world do not have access to an improved source of drinking water. This is also the good important good fact student कि इतने करोड़ लोगों को जो पीने वाला पानी है वो नहीं मिलता. एंड लुक एट द फिश इन द इमेज दैट वुमेन इज कैचिंग वाटर fetching water from any sources. So this is also the big problem. For example, they do not have tap, no well and head pump which provide water fit for human consumption. Most of the country's part, even 7 to 8 states, they are always facing the problem related to the drought every year, okay. Especially Rajasthan, our own state, are also facing the lots of problem during the summer season. और earlier मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था कि this is also the big problem for the whole world. So there is more water in the atmosphere than in all our rivers combined, okay. So what it means that some of the rivers, they are the perennial rivers students, we say they have the more water, they always have the plenty of waters, okay, and they are full with the water. So a bath use up to 70 gallons of water. A 5-minute shower use 10 to 25 गैलन्स पानी. तो अगर हम ये कहें कि इतना पानी हम डेली क्या है नहाने के लिए क्या कर लेते हैं, यूज़ कर लेते हैं. तो हाउ कैन वी कंजर्व इट? द मेन सिस्टम इज़ दिस, दैट हाउ द गवर्नमेंट मोटिवेट एंड अवेयर टू द पब्लिक टू सेव द वाटर एंड the how people save water. So there are the different techniques. We will say the save of the water. If we are not saving the water, then we say in the future time is really very bad, and the water scarcity is the great reason for this, and that we also say about the drought pattern area, okay. So its causes that we say the shortness of the supply, insufficiency or the shortness of the supply is also a good reason for the water scarcity. And look, there is no water drops available for drinking purpose. So this is not a very simple problem, this is really very big problem. So what is the meaning of water scarcity? Is the lack of sufficient available water resources to meet water needs within the region is known as water scarcity, okay. The two kinds of scarcities we have, the physical scarcities and the economic scarcities. तो water scarcities की जो definition है that you also write in your notebook or revise it carefully, and also you will write the two types, the physical scarcity and economic scarcities हैं. ये भी आप अपनी नोटबुक के अंदर अच्छी तरह से मेंशन कर ले, लिख ले. Now what is the physical water scarcity? It is the situation when water is not abundant enough to meet all demands, okay, and it also occurs water seems abundant but where resources are over committed. तो such is system is known as the physical water scarcity. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, physical water scarcity कहते हैं. तो such as those required by an ecosystem functions of effectively, that we have the more demands for agriculture, for industry purpose, for the daily human uses, but it not completed by the particular resources. तो it is we will say the resources are over committed, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ये over committed हो जाते हैं. तो this is the situation of the drought. You will look in the figure कि इस तरह की situations क्या हैं, especially the agriculture जो areas हैं उसमें देखने को मिलती हैं. So this is the big problem for the agriculture purpose, because India is also the country that mainly based on agriculture. Second, that we have the economic water scarcity. It is caused by the lack of investment in water infrastructure or insufficient human capacity to satisfy the demands of water. And especially we say the areas where the population cannot afford to use the adequate source of water. So you are looking that women, they are traveling the long distance to for their drinking water and for their family needs, okay. So this is the lack of investment that we say the Rajasthan is facing the lots of problem during the summer season, and this is the example of the lack of the investment by the government, by the such kind of the state governments. So this is known as the economic water scarcity. Now states hit in water scarcities, the Rajasthan, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra is the some of the example that we are hit by the water scarcity every day, every year, okay. And the day by day situation is going very harsh for it. So now the student, this is the correct time to conserve the water and save the water for the future generation, okay student. So this is all from my side, and if you like then please put one comment on it. Thank you.